Whenever I fly out to LA, hitting up Portos Bakery is a must. If you don't know about Portos Bakery, first of all, I'm sorry, but second, they are really well known for their pastries, specifically a guava and cheese pastry like this. So since I'm all the way in the East Coast, I figured why not go ahead and make these pastries myself. Quite frankly, they're super simple to make. You can actually prep everything in under 10 minutes. So let's get started. So first, get out a sheet of thawed puff pastry. I actually have a recipe for homemade puff pastry that is bomb on my channel. So if you don't want to buy it, go ahead and check out that video, but you can always buy it yourself and just make your life easier. And roll out the dough without stretching it too thin. I'm using a heart-shaped cookie cutter. I even used a circle one. At certain points I use square ones. I just have fun with it. And go ahead and cut out your pastry and make your egg wash, which is just 2 tablespoons of milk and 1 egg. So I go ahead and I brush that on to the pastries. So after I brushed it onto the pastries, I grabbed my 2 main ingredients, which are actually cream cheese and guava paste. So the guava paste you can really find in any grocery store. Just go to the Hispanic section. That's where I usually find it. My one's the Goya brand. So I cut out a little square of guava paste and about a little square of cream cheese. That's about 1/2 ounce. And I go ahead and smush them down right into the pastry. And I took the other pastry and placed it right on top. So right now you want to grab a fork and go ahead and press down the edges. This is going to help the inside filling from oozing out as it's baking. So go ahead and seal that nice and tight. And that's all there is to the preparation. I know you thought this was going to be much harder, but that's really all there is to it. Really, anybody can do this. It's so simple and not time consuming at all, but they look like they took forever to make, and they totally didn't. So this is what they look like before they go in the oven. So bake this in the oven at 350 degrees for 15 minutes and brush them with egg wash halfway. And here is the final result once again. Look how cute they turned out. I did score 3 little lines onto my pastries before I put them in the oven, but that's optional. But look at that and listen to that crispy flake. All you need is a little bit of tea for these to go with. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please subscribe, like, and comment for more content. Love you. Happy holidays.